Hello, welcome to Mathy Python. This week we are looking at dictionaries and sets. This is the problems and puzzles worksheet that goes with it. You can find it on the GitHub page, a link in the description. 3 tiers as usual: warm up, intermediate, and challenge. For the warm up, let's see, we create a dictionary. Given a dictionary, add a new key, update the dictionary. We're also looking at sets, so given a list of words, find the unique words, sort them, predict what happens with syntax with the dictionary, and then check it. Given 2 sets, find a union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. Tier 2. You're given a dictionary, you use a loop and items to print out the data in the dictionary, and then you find the max value and its associated key. Let's see, character frequency. Here we're using the get. I don't think I talked about that in a lecture, but you can look it up, you can Google it. Here we have 2 sets of students, and then you use set operations to find various combinations of them. Here's a nested dictionary printed out, non-nested. For the challenge problems, a reverse dictionary. That's a lot harder than it sounds like it ought to be. Another letter frequency analysis. Given a list of numbers and a target, what numbers add up to that target, and use a set to make it efficient. Histogram, a text histogram, just make it with stars. And then a word co-occurrence. So you look through the words of a sentence, and then the will go along with cat, sat, mat, and it'll go along with this one and that one. Okay, happy programming.